Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing composting and how you can get started with home composting. Composting is an excellent way to reduce waste and improve the health of your garden. It's a natural process that involves breaking down organic materials into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Composting at home is easy, affordable, and can be done all year round. To get started with home composting, you will need a few basic materials. These include a compost bin, which you can purchase or make yourself, yard waste like leaves and grass clippings, food scraps like fruit and vegetable peels, and water. Once you have your materials, you can start building your compost pile. Begin by layering your yard waste and food scraps in the compost bin, making sure to alternate between dry and wet materials. It's important to keep your compost pile moist, but not too wet. Over time, the microorganisms in your compost pile will break down the organic materials, resulting in a nutrient-rich soil amendment. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months, depending on the size of your compost pile and the materials you use. In conclusion, composting is an easy and effective way to reduce waste and improve your garden's health. With just a few basic materials and some patience, you can create nutrient-rich soil that will benefit your plants for years to come. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on sustainable living. Thanks for watching.